Okay, so once again, welcome back to the second round. That is all about the VAC, visual auditory kinesthetic, and advanced learning styles, dominance of your learning styles and the communication styles. That is where we are into now. As promised you into our last session, that I will be giving you the questions and answering those questions. You will be able to find out your dominant learning style, and you will be also able to understand others' dominant learning style, through which you can get connected easily, through which you can get a grip of the communication, and you can exchange your ideas smoothly, wherein your transformation of the messages will happen smoothly. And this is how you can become a great leader, trainer, speaker, or whatever in whatever field you are. You can be an expert for that field, because the communication is key to be successful in any of the field. So let us now share me those questions which you are eagerly waiting for. If you are able to see the screen, you can always tell me. Okay, so I have hidden some of the participants and just want uh, small conversations here. I want you all to focus on the questionnaires. Hope the screen is visible to you. You are welcome at us ACE Education, so Creative Excellence. And this questionnaires, uh, in our last session, we have filled in up the data of our learner, Utpal Bhai. And once again, congratulations, Utpal Bhai, for become a contributor to the ACE Education. And hope you would be, with this session, you would be able to contribute to a large extent to the society by giving a great communicators, a great teachers, a great trainers, the great leaders to the society with the help of different capacity development programs. So if you are set, I'll start giving you the first question. uh, is the first question visible to you on the screen? Fine. So I want you to
Yes.
be with pen and a paper, and you need to write down. If the answer for the first question is one, it is okay. The question one is, when I operate new equipments, I generally. So this is just an example. I am giving you the example of the first question. Okay. You need to choose A, B, or C. If your answer is A, so just open the diary and write down 1 2 3 4 5, like 10, then 11 20, and then 21 to 30, and give the space for writing down your answer. Your answer may be A, B, or C, whatever, and whatever first comes first in your mind, that should be the answer, right? And it's best to complete the questionnaire before reading the accompanying explanation. So you need not to go through the explanation, I will do it for you. What you need to do is, you need to just listen to me, or if you are able to read the questions, you can read the questions also, and you need to go in that particular way. Fine. So here I go.
Perfect. Perfect.
Thank you. Here I go. The first question, get ready with that. When I operate new equipment,
Yes.
generally the options are: read the instruction first, that was A. Option B, listen to an explanation from someone who has used it before. Option C, go ahead and have a go. I can figure it out as I use it. आंसर ए, बी और सी. मैं जब कोई नया इक्विपमेंट लेता हूं ऑपरेट.
It's
ओके. सो नाउ यू यू योर
I
आंसर.
read the instructions first.
Fine. So this would be, you read the instruction first. So this would be your answer A. So you will write down A in front of 1. So this would be your answer. And for the coming questions, now I don't want your answer through the voice. You just keep on jotting down, and let us have no distraction in between. You just jotting down your answers, and whether it is A, B, C, that's you need to do it. At the end of the session, we will come back to the answers, and we will analyze that what dominant style yours is. So, okay, one we have completed. Now let us go to the second question. When I need direction, it is now on the second question. When I need direction for,
Even if you, so sorry to interrupt. So sorry to interrupt. Even if you will not read, that is fine because
Yeah,
and it is very much visible. So
no,
then
no issues. This is
in that way also you can save your energy.
fine, fine. But I want to have this session for others also, those who are like viewing us through different social media, that is YouTube, Facebook, those who are viewing us, and for them this would be beneficial.
Okay.
Right. Fine. So on second, when I need directions for traveling, I usually look at map. B, ask for spoken directions. C, follow my nose and maybe use a compass. Time to give the answer. Question 3. When I cook a new dish, I like answer A, follow a written recipe. B, call a friend for an explanation. C, follow my instincts, tasting as I cook. 4. Question 4. If I am teaching someone something new, I tend to answer A, write instruction down for them. Answer B, give them a verbal explanation. Answer C, demonstrate first and then let them have a go. Question 5, I tend to say answer A, watch how I do it. I tend to say option B, listen to me explain. Listen to me explain. Question 5, I tend to say you have a go. So your answer may be A, B, or C. Let us go to the question 6. During my free time, I most enjoy answer A, going to the museum and galleries. Answer B, listening to music and talking to my friends. C, playing sport or doing DIY. Do it yourself. Question 7. When I go for shopping for clothes, I tend to A, imagine what they would like, what they would look like on. B, discuss them with the shop staff. C, try them on and test them out. A,
Sir, just a second.
yes,
So what is that DIY in that sixth question?
yeah, DIY is do it yourself. आप खुद करना चाहेंगे, do it yourself. Okay. Keep me stopping.
एक मिनट सर थोड़ा ऊपर लीजिए.
Yes, yes. Keep me stopping if I am in the higher speed. I repeat question 6. During my free time, I most enjoy going to museum and galleries, listening to music and talking to my friends, and the C is playing sport or doing DIY. Friends, if you want this
Okay.
in your inbox, just call us or mail us and you can buy our personalized advanced communication skill session. Question 7. When I go shopping for clothes, I tend to A, imagine what they would look like on. B, discuss them with the shop staff. C, try them on and test them out. Time to answer. Now let us move to question 8. Question 8 is, when I am choosing a holiday, I usually read lots of brochures. B. Listen to recommendation from friends. C. Imagine what it would be like to be there. So these are the different answers. Read lot of brochures, listen to recommendation from friends, and imagine what it would be like to be there. Question 9. Friends, if you are using YouTube for giving this test, you can pause if this is the speed is little bit higher than your requirements. Question 9. If I was buying a new car, I would read reviews in newspaper and magazines. B. Discuss what I need with my friends. C. Test drives lots of different types. Question 10. When I am learning a new skill, I am most comfortable A. Watching what the teacher is doing. B. Talking through with the teacher exactly what I am supposed to do. C. Giving it a try myself and work it out as I go. Time to answer. 11. If I am choosing food of a menu, I tend to A. Imagine what the food will look like. B. Talk through the options in my head or with my partner. C. Imagine what the food will taste like. So there is a difference between A and C. Imagine what the food will look like, and the C is imagine what the food will taste like. So don't be confused in this. Take your own time. You can pause the video and go ahead. Question 12. When I listen to a band, I can't help watching the band members and other people in the audience. B. Listening to the lyrics and beats. C. Moving in time with the music. Moving in the time with the music. Watching, listening, moving. Time to answer. Question 13. When I concentrate, I most often A. Focus on the words or the pictures in front of me. B. Discuss the problem and the possible solutions in my head. C. Move around a lot. Fiddle with pen and pencil and touch things. Fiddle with pen and pencil and touch things. Time to answer. Question 14. I choose household furnishings because I like their colors and how they look. B. The description the salespeople give me. C. Their textures and what it feels like to touch them. Here I come. It was a 14th question. Okay. So time to answer 14. Now get ready for the 15th question. My first memory is of A. Looking at something. B. Being spoken to. C. Doing something. I repeat, my first memory is of looking at something. B. Being spoken to. C. Doing something. Time to answer.
Sir, just a minute. Second, you please keep question 14 once.
Okay, till the time we have gone to 15 questions. You can pause the video, watch it carefully, answer properly. If you have got two things at the mind that I do both the things, what would you like to do first? What would you like to do first? What will you do first? That would be your answer. For example, I now read again question 15. My first memory is looking at something, being spoken to or doing something. तो जो हम याद कर रहे हैं उसका आवाज भी सुनाई दे रहा है, उसके शब्द भी सुनाई दे रहे हैं और हमें उसका चित्र भी दिखाई दे रहा है। तो पहला या तो मोर पावरफुल क्या हो रहा है, विजन क्लियर आ रहा है या शब्द क्लियर आ रहा है, दैट यू नीड टू राइट इट डाउन, दैट यू नीड टू राइट इट डाउन। व्हाट इज द डोमिनेंट, वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द डोमिनेंस हियर। So now let us move to the question 16. Would it be okay, Utpal bhai?
Yes, sir.
Where? So for you all, I am reading it. Question 16. When I am anxious, I A. Visualize the worst case scenarios. B. Talk over my head what worries me most. C. Can't sit still, fiddle and move around constantly, and fiddle and move around constantly. Question 17. Need to be quicker. Whatever comes first in the mind should be the answer for this kind of the test. I feel especially connected to other people because A. How they look. B. What they say to me. C. How they make me feel. I feel especially connected to other people because of how they look. B. What they say to me, how they make me feel. That is the answer C. Time to answer. Now going to the question 18. When I have to revise for an exam, I generally A. Write lots of revision notes and diagrams. B. Talk over my notes alone or with other people. C. Imagine making the movement of creating the formula. A. Write lots of revision notes and diagrams. B. Talk over my notes alone or with other people. C. Imagine making the movement or creating the formula. Then I move to the question 19. Time to answer. Question 19. If I am explaining to someone, I tend to A. Show them what I mean. B. Explain to them in different ways until they understand. C. Encourage them to try and talk them through my idea as they do it. Time to answer. Question 20. Friends, most important, this exercise will help you become a great speaker, communicator, and a leader. Question 20. I really love watching films, photography, looking at art or people watching. This was answer A. Answer B. Listening to music, the radio, or talking to friends. Answer C. Taking part in sporting activities, eating fine foods and wines, or dancing. Time to answer. That was question 20. Now it is 21. Question number 21. Most of my free time is spent. Most of my free time is spent. Answer A. Watching television. Answer B. Talking to friends. Answer C. Doing physical activity or making things. Doing physical activity or making things. Time to answer. That was question 21. Now on to 22. It's time to introspection. When I first contact a new person, I usually arrange a face-to-face meeting, talk to them on The telephone. Try to get together whilst doing something else such as an activity or a meal. फेस टू फेस मीटिंग, टेलीफोन पे बात, या तो उनको मील के लिए या कोई एक्टिविटी के लिए बुला रहे हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन 23. I first notice how people, answer A, look and dress, answer B, sound and speak, answer C, stand and move. Look and dress, sound and speak, stand and move. That was question 23. Time to answer. Get ready for 24. If I'm angry, I tend to A, keep replying in my mind what it is that has upset me. Keep replaying. Answer A, keep replaying in my mind what is that has upset me. B, raise my voice and tell people how I feel. C, stamp about, slam doors and physically demonstrate my anger. Time to answer. Question 25. I find it easiest to remember. मुझे याद रहता है बहुत easily. Faces, A. B, names. C, things I have done. चेहरे, नाम या तो एक्टिविटी जो मैंने की थी, क्या सबसे ज्यादा याद रहता है? A, B, C. Time to answer. Let us move to 26. I think that you can tell if someone is lying. I think that you can tell if someone is lying if, answer A, they avoid looking at you. B, their voice changes. NLP trainers, most important question. C, they give me funny vibes. Psychologist, criminal interrogatory fellows, most important question. They avoid looking at you, their voice changes, they give me funny vibes. Time to answer. Now question 27. Little bit faster, requesting to be little bit faster. 27. When I meet an old friend, I say, it's great to see you. I say, it's great to hear from you. I give them a hug and handshake. Friend, from the COVID-19, now no more hugs, no more handshake. It is always namaste. So what was your answer? Okay. Continue. 28. I remember things based by, answer A, writing notes or keeping printed details. B, saying them aloud or repeating words and key points in my head. C, doing and practicing the activity or imagining it being done. Time to answer. Writing notes, saying them aloud, and the C was doing and practicing the activity and imagining it being done. Question 29. We are now last two questions. 29. If I have to complain about my faulty goods, I am most comfortable, answer A, writing a letter. B, complaining over the phone. C, taking the item back to the store or posting it to head office. If I have complained about faulty goods, I am most comfortable writing a letter. B, complaining over the phone. C, taking the item back to the store or posting it to the head office. And the last question, 30. I tend to say, answer A, the option is, I see what you mean. B, I hear what you are saying. I know how you feel. जब बात करते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं? I see what you mean. I hear what you are saying. I know how you feel. And now it is the time to total out your A's, B's and C's. आपने जहां पे आंसर लिखे हैं वहां पे नीचे आपके A's, टोटल A's कितने हो रहे हैं आप टोटल करके लिखिए. This will help you out understand your dominance, learning style and advanced communication skill. Your first step towards becoming the expert speaker, communicator and the counselor. If you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, if you're a teacher or a trainer or a motivator, or in any case, if you are an entrepreneur or businessman, or in any case, if you communicate with other than yourself, this would surely be helpful. If you are a learner, if you want to learn more, know your learning style and get the gadgets and equipments and the sessions accordingly, and that would be helpful to you. Are you done with the totalings? Total A's, total B's and total C's. How many total A's?
एक बार सब थोड़ा सा स्लोली एक बार खाली रोल कर दोगे क्योंकि कुछ में नंबर्स नहीं लिखे हैं.
Okay. Okay.
So from top to bottom आप कर देगा.
Okay. Fine. See, this is how I go.
Just okay.
Okay. So now just check your answers for 1, 2.
Okay.
I need to be little speedier. You tell me keep going, and I will be keep going. So I want you all to do the answers, total of your answers. Answer might be
Sir,
yes.
1 minute.
Yes. Okay. Your total A's, your total B's, your total C. It should be on first go only. There is in such kind of the test, there is no second attempt allowed. If you have skipped, that is fine, but no second attempt allowed. Okay. So now total down. Okay. Total down your A's, B's and C's. Is it done? All?
So can you stop at 9 just a second.
So once you are through with A's, B's and C's, what you need to do is you need to write down. You need to write down in the description box below, or if you are through the Facebook, if you are connecting me through the Insta or any other social media, you need to send me your totals A, B and C. If you are on YouTube, you write down your total A, B and C with your name and email ID. I'll send you your personal dominance learning style. And if you want to know more about it, if you want to how to use your dominant personal style, your dominance of personal learning style, you can always get in touch with us through the mail ID, or you can contact us through WhatsApp or our phone number, and you can get appointment for the personalized learning. Like just now we have got the Utpal Bhai with us. He's an excellent trainer, coach and motivator. He is an NLP trainer as well. He works with various organizations along with the government of Gujarat and various different corporates he is working with. He is a powerful trainer. So the way he is advancing himself for the communication, you all are also requested and you are offered over this kind of the personal coaching. And I think that from 14th of this month, Utpal Bhai is going to launch the same session for you all in a very discounted price, special price for the lockdown. So all you need to get ready, be in touch with us and Utpal Bhai. We are here from ACE Education. Wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. Utpal Bhai, are you done with the totalings? Okay, we can talk offline also.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So are you done with the totaling, sir?